Hi guys, this is going to be a clean with me, and I'm also going to be unboxing some Grove products that I just ordered. So stay tuned for the unboxing of my Grove products. And I'm also cooking a new dish that I wanted to try. My friend over on Facebook, she's been posting recipes and I've been watching the recipes and paying attention, and this is one that I wanted to try. So we tried the angel hair pasta. We did the ranch instead of the Italian season. It was so good. So if you have not tried that, I'll see if I can link it below because this was so good. My family loved it. So we're going to be cleaning, cooking, unboxing something. And if you are new here, my name is Ivy. I'm a wife and mom of 4 older kids. On my channel, I do cooking, cleaning, homemaking, lifestyle type stuff. Any of that kind of stuff interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to my old subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And let's get some stuff done.
The glass cleaner, and then the lavender upper. So I'm gonna put these back. Probably gonna use that one, that one.
So now I'm using the degreaser on the stove, and I'm also going to use it on the counter next to the stove where I was cleaning off the grease from the grill. We've been using this quite a bit lately, so I needed to clean off the counter and get some of this grease that was underneath this. And I'm also going to be cleaning the grill parts because they had some burnt stuff on them. They had some grease. It just needed a good little spring cleaning. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another closet we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. So now I'm planning the parts that go to the grill. Like I said, we've been using this quite a bit, so it needed a good scrubbing. So just scrubbing this and getting some of this stuff off of here. If you are still here, please leave me some pink tulips in the comment section to let me know you're still watching and you're still on this video. I really appreciate it. Thanks. So now I'm taking down my daughter's decorations from her little surprise party thing that we did for her. And y'all, I cannot stand balloons. That's why it took me forever to get these balloons down. I was so scared I was going to pull because they were taped up with tape. And I was like, I'm going to pull one and it's going to pop. I can't stand balloons. But what I did was I started removing the tape and just throwing them on the floor. And then I went back with some scissors and cut them. And I'm going to vacuum the living room. I have been cleaning more the living room and stuff because we've been having our church services at our house. And so that is what I'm doing here. I'm just putting up the living room just in case we have anybody come for Bible study. And if we don't have people come to the house, we do our Zooms in the living room. So I'm just straightening up the living room. Try something new. We're gonna have it's cream of chicken with ranch and cream cheese. You mix this together. It's supposed to be Italian seasoning, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna tweak it a little bit and I'm gonna put the ranch and cream cheese with the cream of chicken, and then I'm just gonna use these chicken tenderloins, and then you make it with angel hair. So I will be making this again the right way, but tonight this is how I'm going to make it. So I'm going to make dinner. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, commenting, subscribing, and supporting my channel. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.